Another episode of Cooking Day with the Kitchen, and I'm going to show you how I made these white chocolate cookie, white chocolate chip with Reese's chips in there. Anyways, follow along with me and I'll show you how I did it. The first thing you're going to want is a stick of melted butter, well, room temperature anyway. A half a cup of sugar. I'll take a fork and you want to kind of get this stirred in here very good. Make sure all the sugars disappeared or into the butter. One teaspoon of vanilla extract. I'm going to put 2 eggs in there, one at a time. And you want to kind of stir this in real good. We'll do the next one in a minute. Okay, we'll do the next one. Kind of combine these in real good like. Teaspoon of baking soda. 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Stir into the batter real good. You gotta mix it real good. Add white chocolate jello to the mix. Teaspoon of salt. Want to add in some really fine chopped up Reese's peanut butter chips, and you want to grate them with some flour. Put in some flour and you want to sift it like you would if you're doing cake batter. Want to give it a good stir, mix it all the way until it's really fine stirred in. What we want to start doing is we want to take our cookie batter with a cookie dipper, take that, put it right here for that one. What they look like before you go in the oven. Now let's take them to the oven. I just now put them out of the oven. Take a look at this. This thing's beautiful, very delicious looking. Look at that, very beautiful. Now we're gonna let these cool a little bit before we taste one. Now we're gonna do is a taste test on this. We're gonna start with, I don't know, probably. We'll start with this one right here. Look at them white chocolate chips in there. I guess you can't see them really good, but they're in there somewhere. Oh my god. That is delicious right there. Anyway, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And if you do subscribe, hit that bell to get all my notifications, and y'all have a great day.